Again, just trying to give you the beginning basics in this part, so when you see the three-dimensional section of this, going to kind of start off with the front of it and slowly build this off to the background here. So once it's built as a rectangular shape, I'm going to set that off and finding the center just by crossing again the diagonal. So that helps me at least get most of this located. This center is going to go straight back. If I angle this one, I can, if it needs a center line here, I can help myself that way. So once I get this, I can see it's kind of a cylindrical piece. So I'm just going to back this up and get the front end of this vehicle right there. Go straight back for the top of the hood and do the same thing, kind of give this shape coming around. Keeping this rectangular at first and then curving it so it builds up that section. And then putting that back there. So once I get this, here's kind of a running board, and then the circular part for the wheel. You know, try to find the height of it. It's coming off this piece. And there's the elliptical shape right there. Give it the hubcap in there. Do the same in the back. It's going to be in this isometric perspective combo that we're just getting used to. And find the thickness to it. This has kind of a little windshield break right there. Has the exhaust off of the manifold, so I can look at the combination of the one in front for some of the detail, if I'm missing out on there, and add that into it. So I'm using the reference of both photos. There's just 4 of these little pieces. And this is the exhaust right here. So you can tell the cylinders of a car, how many exhausts it has. It has 4 on this side, 4 on the other. So it's giving you an 8-cylinder car. And that builds that section up pretty good. The front of it has this grille. Find the center and make a symmetrical split to it. And just round that off. Now that's pretty much there. So all I need to now is just go back in. Most of this is curved, but I'm just going to accentuate some of these shapes here. Just kind of heavy them up. And build it around. Now you don't have to do the car, you can do any part that you have. I'm going to try to do a couple of them here. And here's the dashboard here with the section across it. And this tire kind of has a thickness to it, so I'm just going to incorporate that right there. This part going straight across is going to give me a little bit over that side. You can kind of see how it has this ventile later right here. And then the grille up front. Okay. So there you kind of have it. Now it's just a matter of, you know, going in and toning in the drawing as you build it up. And again, you can use a little bit of the straight edge if you want, because you can kind of quickly lay out that value and keep things kind of straight pretty quick. But the same idea, this becomes like a inside hubcap, kind of put the curve on it. And then this part's going to have a thickness to it as you go into the back seat of it. So the overall texture of this and the metal kind of takes a precedent over that part as well. And putting in a cast shadow.